Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Couple things we gotta finish today. Finish the trim molding. I picked up trim to go around this door, and I could put the little black strips in. I have to change a fitting on the body up underneath here. I have a drip, and I deducted that the fitting is no good, so I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna put the towel bars, toilet paper holder up, and I already started clearing out all the mess. I had like mountains of cardboard here. I cleaned that up and started organizing the tools and stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright, so I got this door trimmed out, and I'm gonna cut that little piece right there. And I'm going to come around and finish this black molding now in this, and then continue with toilet paper holders, etc. Alright, did a little bit of cleanup, organized some tools, finished all the trim molding in the bathroom, hung the toilet paper holder, towel bar, little thing. Trim molding around the door is done. Took a shitload of trash out to the curb. Listening to the persecution of my president, Donald Trump. Not very happy right fucking now. Gonna be a short one. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe. Share the video. Hit the like button. Choo-choo.